Number one, if you're brand new or a veteran not getting the results that you desire, you guys, who's your mentor? Who's mentoring you? Who has blazed the trail before you? You ever tried to blaze a trail? I did this when I was young. You're getting bushwhacked. It's not a fun experience. You're getting cobwebs in your face. You're getting schwacked, okay, by blackberries, heaven knows what in front of you. You need to have a good mentor that's getting it done, okay? Number one, have a good mentor. Have somebody that is truly successful in front of you. Make sure you vet your trainer. Vet your trainer. If you're going to work for an IMO, an agency, a captive space, you need to ask, what was your mentor's 1099 on their own pen? What's that person's 1099 on their own pen last year? Vet your mentor. Vet your trainer. That will take you a long ways to not wasting capital and not wasting time. You can't get time back. You can get capital back. You can't get time back. Don't waste time. Promise you. Number two, master the phone. Doesn't matter if you're a face-to-face agent or if you're in the telespace. You must master this thing. You must master the phone. You have to get good at it. You have to understand and embrace that this phone is part of you, okay? You're going to hear a lot of dial tones in your career. Embrace it early on so that you're successful. Don't waste time. Don't waste capital. Don't fail out. Too many good people need you. Your family deserves the freedom that comes when you're successful in this space, and your clients deserve to be taken care of with A-rated products with the best companies that you can offer. You bring the best companies, you're not getting replaced by someone behind you. Get trained hard, get mentored hard by somebody that understands the business and that is crazy successful. Being under somebody's wing, okay, there's a lot of protection, there's a lot of help, and you're not going to have to learn things 3 or 4 times. You're going to be able to learn from their mistakes, and you're going to build skills so much faster by being mentored by somebody that's truly successful in the business. If they're willing to take you under their wing and train you, take them up on it, you guys. Early in my career, let me tell you, I had a guy that's done it for 20 years take me under his wing. I surpassed him. That's not an arrogant thing. He trained me well, okay? He invested his life into mine. I would not be where I'm at if I didn't submit to his mentoring and humble myself and say, I'm brand new. I don't know what I don't know. Please teach me what you know. And it was an amazing experience. Have good mentorship. Master the phone, though. If you're in the face-to-face realm, if you're good on the phone, you can book up your entire week in 3 hours. 4 hours tops, okay? If you master that phone, you're in front of people, okay? You need to make appointments, get sits, get sells. If you're face-to-face, I can train the junk out of you. That's what it's about. Your mentor better be able to do that. If you're in the telespace, you need to make sure that they have closes. What did they write last week? What's their best week on average? How much did they submit in the last 3 months? You need to ask those questions so you don't waste capital, time, and energy, okay? Number 3, make sure you're enthusiastic. You have to love what you do. Enthusiasm will transcend the phone, whether you're making appointments or you're in the telespace. Enthusiasm, your energy, all right, is a big thing. If you look like you're weaned on a dill pickle, you guys, you're like, oh, the last person hung up on me. If you come from a poisoned mind, I promise you, it's going to infect like a cancer your next phone call. If you're in the telespace like I am, you have to flush it out. Get rid of it. Come in with positivity. Come in with a servant's heart. Take care of that consumer. It's the same thing if you're booking appointments, you guys. Nothing changes. Be enthusiastic. Help that consumer. That next consumer doesn't care that the guy before just chewed your behind out and F-bombed you. It's okay. Brush it off. You ever seen a duck get wet? You don't. Ducks don't get wet. Even when they're going on the lake, They're smooth on top, and their little feet are doing this. Okay? You need to do the same thing. Don't let it affect you. And I know it's tough. I know it's tough. I've been where you are. I've done this, okay, for a decade and a half plus. Over 16 years I've done insurance. I've done telesales for 3 before that. It's coming up almost 20 years, coming up in February, okay? But enthusiasm is so huge. Don't lose the steam in your engine. You have to take care of people. Don't lose your passion. Don't lose your enthusiasm. It'll cost you money, and it will cost your clients everything if you don't meet their needs, you guys. And it'll kick you out of this business. Don't lose steam. Number 4, you need to have resources. Is your agency, like what I run a national agency, are they giving you resources? Are they giving you quoters? Are they giving you cheat sheets? Because you don't know what you don't know yet, right? You're brand new. Or maybe you've done this for 5 years, 6 years, 10 years. You need cheat sheets to guide you on the quickest path to success. Are they giving you good training? Are they giving you proven power scripts? I don't mean BS scripts that don't get you anywhere and get you nothing but hung up on. Okay? Are they giving you proven power scripts that are giving sustainable results? Not, hi, how are you doing today, Mrs. Johnson? Okay? I'm not talking about starting off your call like that. The first 5 seconds of your call are huge. They're paramount. If you get it wrong, you're going to waste a lot of time, effort, and capital. You guys, wasting capital is going to put you out of this business. I promise you. I've had a lot of agents reach out that aren't being mentored properly. They're bleeding out capital. Bleeding out capital. Don't let that happen to you. Get mentored right. Master the phone. Embrace it. Number 3, have enthusiasm. Number 4, have good resources. Make sure your carriers, okay, are in alignment with what you are doing. If you're in the telesales space, make sure you're representing and you're contracted with the right carriers to get the job done for your clients. Make sure that your IMO, your agency like myself, is giving you the best scripts, the best training, the best mentorship to get you successful in your space. Number 5, is your IMO, is your agency investing in your success? Are they? Are they just leaving you alone like a little kid at Red Robin, a little kid at McDonald's with an iPad? Go watch this YouTube video and come back to me when you're done. Oh, honky. Okay? If you want to be successful in this space, you cannot be neglected as an agent. If you want to be successful, you need time and attention, especially if you're transitioning from face-to-face to the telespace. Or if you're a brand new agent and you're like, I want to be successful in this market. I'm going to go face-to-face, but I've never done it before. You need somebody to hold your hand. There's nothing wrong with hand-holding. I needed hand-holding when I first started, okay? My first week, okay, about wet my pants with fear going to my first client's house. My first week was scary. It is. If you're not afraid, I'm worried about you. I'm worried about you if you don't have a healthy fear of the unknown, okay? It is what it is, you guys. Embrace the fear. Let it make you better because you're going to skill up. You're going to prepare for the next appointment with integrity. You're going to make sure you do right by the client because you're so afraid of doing the wrong thing. That's a good problem to have. Focus on your client. Be okay with being afraid, you guys. I was afraid when I first started my career almost 20 years ago. But I'm telling you, when you start in sales, you should have a healthy respect and a healthy fear of what you don't know. My first week, I've never blanked since. But I didn't get my first sale till a Friday. It was a late night, okay? I was just like, oh, okay. I was in the house for like 2.5 hours. But I closed it. Great people. And that just propelled my career. But I had good mentors who believed in me and who just invested in me and helped me and mentored me to success. I'm not the man that I am in this space without good people who've walked the line before me. Is your agency investing time in you? Point number 6, your agency, are they picking up the phone after hours? If you're in a bind, do they have your back? Are they picking up your phone calls? If you're working on a weekend, are they picking up the phone? Are they taking care of you? Are they texting you back? You need people that are involved in your career to help you scale up, skill up, get to that next level. This is not an easy business. Best paying hard work. Okay? In the words of Tom Hopkins, the lowest paying easy work. Don't waste money. Don't waste time by being with the wrong place, the wrong partnership, not having the right mentor. You guys, it's too risky. You will waste tons of capital. Okay? You just will. You may be with a great starter company right now. There's nothing wrong with that. I was captive once. I was making insanely low comp, 45% comp, selling final expense. But guess what? That was not an excuse. I made crazy success in that space, but I moved on. I graduated, just like a kindergartner moves on to first grade, second grade, and becomes a man, and then is beyond schooling. Doesn't mean you don't still learn. You've got to constantly be in a state of learning. I hope this helps. Don't lose sight of things that make you more successful. I hope this helps in some ways. Reach out if you need help. My information is in the description. I train a lot of agents, not only in their organizations, but also in my own. I hope you do well. Take care of people. They deserve the value that you can bring to them. Go take care, folks. Have a great day tomorrow. Celebrate your victories. Hope this helps.